What is up, guys? Welcome to part 2 or another video in the plugin reviews series. Today we're going to be talking about a really simple plugin for doing a really simple feature that WordPress really should have in it by default, but for some reason or another it doesn't. That's going to be cloning posts and pages, and it's obvious, right? You think that it'd be easy to do this. It is with a plugin, but other than that, it's not. And we're just going to make this real easy. We're just in our Belfort Flower site, the one that we developed in our WordPress tutorial for beginners series. We're just going to head over to plugins, add a new plugin, and we are going to go for duplicate post and pages. So here you go right here. Go ahead and just install this and get it activated. And so when you add this into your site, it's going to give you the option now to clone. So in our pages section, in our posts, it's very similar. When you hover over any of this stuff, it now gives you a new option here, which is to clone this page and all of its settings. And the cool thing about this is when you have really advanced pages that are using front-end builders and stuff like that, at least in the front-end builders I use, the clone actually clones everything on the entire page. I mean, it does an exact copy, all your settings on your front-end builder and all that, and that's pretty cool. And that's cloning pages. It's just easy. You just click clone whenever you want. It's like contact us. We'll just hit clone. It'll take us into the new page editor. Or actually, in this case, it just clones it. It used to take us into the old page editor. So now we have one as a draft, and it's a copy. And we can tell because last modified was 1 second ago versus when I edited last. And that's pretty much that on posts and pages. This is a very short, easy video on the easiest method to do this, straightforward. And it's kind of funny because without this plugin, you wouldn't even be able to do this. It doesn't have this feature by default. That's pretty much as easy as I can get and right to the point. So if you guys were looking to clone a post or a page and you needed to figure out a way to create duplicates of the same page, there's the fastest method to do it. It's just a plugin literally called Clone Posts. Or it's literally a plugin called Duplicate Post. Super easy, super simple. I appreciate the developer who created it because it used to be a problem and now it's not a problem. That's going to wrap us up on this very, very short video on creating how to clone posts and pages. I'll be doing more plugin reviews and little helpful things like this upcoming. Look out for other courses as well where we're going to be developing a plugin of our own, starting from a template or from scratch, and more series on building business websites. Look forward to seeing you guys on another video in the future.